Howdy y'all, thank you very much for taking time to come over and visit with me over on Fritz Rochester's Heating and Air's YouTube channel. I'm Fritz Rochester. I'm a licensed Kentucky HVAC master contractor right here in Louisville, Kentucky that has to go around ducks. But anyways, figured y'all might get a kick out of that. Alright guys, I'm on a no-cool call, and it's for a customer of mine, and I installed this American Standard back in 2013, so we still got a good warranty on it. I actually found it on my computer and I printed it out, so basically let's go over here and take a peek. I think it was this way. It's been a while since I've been over. Alright guys, we have arrived, and first things first, I wanted to come down here and check out the filter. Heck, there's my combustion analysis I did on it a while back, and brand new coil. The train is several years old. We haven't updated that yet, but let me pop in here and check this filter. Is spotless. All right, let's hit on out back. There's the old gal. Pop the cover, and what does that look like it may be to y'all? Telltale sign. Alright guys, let's see if we can find us a 40+5 here, and it looks like I got one right on top. And if y'all remember from a video or two back where I was replacing that Bryant motor with the OEM motor, I bought me a couple of 40+5s. So got my Titan right here. Alright guys, we got our new Titan here, our 40+5. Like I said, I always test my stuff first. I got my fill piece set to microfarads. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got here. There's our 40. And there's our 5. Okay guys, the new one's not going to fit with a small bracket, but a lot of times whenever I do a job, I always save these brackets. And hopefully it'll work out with this one. So let me get this on here real quick, and you can see what it is. All right guys, I know this is bad, but just for giggles, I'll go ahead and test it real quick. All right guys, you can look at this thing and tell it's bad, but we'll go ahead and test it. We're on the fan side of things. Nothing. Alright guys, we are back up and running. We're heading to the next one. Alright guys, thank you so very much.